So today we're going to do a breathing exercise called the boxed breath, and I'll explain its effects and then we will practice. We have the incredible ability to control or manage what mode of our nervous system we are in using our breath. The breath is such an amazingly powerful tool when we bring our attention or awareness to it. So we have two main modes of our nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system, which is referred to as the fight or flight response. It's our more active part of our nervous system. There's no bad part of our nervous system, but this is the part that's associated with stress. When we are fearful or worried about our well-being, we go into this mode and things tighten. It's our fight or flight mode. Then we have the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest mode. Balance is the other one. So this is where we are rejuvenating and restoring ourselves. And of course, that's really important. And in our modern society, we tend to spend too much time in stress mode. And so meditation is one of the techniques that we use to get more into relaxation mode. So what's cool about our breath is that not only we vacillate between these two modes throughout our day, throughout hours, throughout weeks, throughout months, but we also go back and forth between them with every breath that we take. So every inhale that you take activates the sympathetic nervous system, the stress mode, but it's more just an active mode. And then every exhale activates the parasympathetic. And we're gonna feel this in ourselves. So you can extend your exhales longer than your inhales to bring yourself more calm, to put yourself into that relaxation mode if you are feeling too much energy, too much stress. Just extending your exhales longer. But the breathing exercise we're going to do today, we are going to look for balance within ourselves. So we're going to have the same length of inhale and exhale. So we're going to inhale for a count of 2, hold the breath for a count of 2, exhale for 2, and hold out for 2. So inhale fully 2, hold in for 2, and then exhale for 2, hold out for 2. Let's try it. Sitting up tall, wherever you are, ensuring you're comfortable. Let's roll our shoulders a couple times, and then bring your shoulder blades together on your back, opening up your chest so that your breath pathway is open. You can allow your eyes to close or gazing softly at a point in front of you on the table or floor if you want to be able to stay awake a little bit easier, or if it's more comfortable in any way. So first, just coming into your body the way it is and noticing how you feel this morning. Just the way you are without judging, but becoming the kind observer of your experience as you get to know yourself and your patterns. Noticing how your body feels, just the way it is. Noticing any emotions that are present for you right now. Taking in all of your current experience, noticing how your mind is this morning. Hearing the sounds around you in your environment. Feeling the chair underneath your body. Feeling your connection to the earth, if your feet are on the ground or any other part of you. Let's take 3 deeper breaths. Start to relax further, inhaling, expanding your stomach, expanding your whole being, bringing that life and energy into you. And then a long and smooth exhale, emptying out completely. Even bringing your belly button in a bit to get anything stale out. And inhaling fully into the bottom of your stomach, feeling that activation of the active mode of our nervous system, that aliveness, and then exhaling and sinking your body a little bit heavier into your seat. One more deep breath like that. And then letting go of any effort or control over your breath. Just observe as it does whatever it wants, coming eventually into a rhythm that's just right for it this morning. And sweeping your awareness through your body, part by part, from your head to your toe, looking for any place that could be a little bit more relaxed, a little bit looser, softer. We hold tension throughout our bodies in so many different places, and without bringing our awareness to each part of our body individually, it's really easy to overlook some of this. Holding on, so noticing any tension in your neck or your shoulders, throughout your whole torso, to your stomach and your lower back and hips. The best or the easiest way, I believe, to relax your body is to systematically move through it, bringing awareness to each part. Trusting that you're fully held by your chair so you can let go, you're safe here. You can relax and release. We'll begin the breathing exercise now. When you're ready, inhale for 2, hold, in for 2, exhale for 2, and hold out for 2. Inhale fully, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold out, 2. Inhale, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold, 2. Inhale, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold out, 2. Continue at your own rhythm. Finding a pace that is comfortable, inhaling fully and exhaling completely as well. This really invites a resetting and balance into your nervous system. Noticing how it feels during the pauses when you're holding your breath in and holding your breath out. Moments of stillness, perhaps. We'll keep breathing like this for another minute or so. Maintaining an open and tall posture will help the breath flow unobstructed. Let's do 10 more rounds, roughly. 10 more full breath cycles. Encouraging your body to relax even further throughout all parts of the cycle. Introducing a new breathing technique can be uncomfortable at first, but eventually your body does adjust and get used to it. And then eventually it loves it. Just noticing what stage you're at. Observing with kindness the reactions of your body. Remembering you're safe here. And after your next exhale, we'll just let go of any effort to control the breath. Just observe what your breath and your body does. Let it just be itself. Let it do whatever it needs to do. We are done with the doing part of the meditation and we're just being now. Just sitting here, being completely ourselves. Feeling how that feels today. Noticing how you feel compared to the beginning of the meditation in your body and your emotions, your mind. Maybe it's the same, maybe it's shifted. There's no right or wrong, we're just paying attention. Now we'll begin to deepen our breath as we begin to transition out of the meditation, bringing any gentle movements into your body that feel good. Re-energizing with those big inhales. Whenever you're ready, bringing your hands in front of you and rubbing your palms together to warm them up. And then placing your hands over your eyes. Blinking your eyes open and releasing your hands.